While many search for the proverbial fountain of youth, you may be wondering whether it is possible to delay the process of aging or extend our lifespan. When we eat, it results in high levels of glucose in the blood. This high level of glucose is detected by the beta cells in our pancreas, which secretes insulin into the bloodstream. Insulin then binds to the receptor tyrosine kinase, which is on the cell surface membrane. The binding of insulin causes autophosphorylation of RTK, where phosphate groups are added to its intracellular domain. Insulin receptor substrate then binds to the phosphate groups on the RTK. Receptor-bound IRS1 serves as a binding and activation site for the PI3 kinase. The activated PI3K then migrates along the inner side of the cell membrane and binds to PIP2, which is a regular component to the cell membrane. PI3K then phosphorylates PIP2 to PIP3. PIP3 then recruits PDK1 and AKT to the plasma membrane. PDK1 then phosphorylates AKT, thus activating it. Activated AKT then activates mTOR, which regulates cell proliferation and cell growth. When mTOR is activated, it activates other proteins such as P70S6K. This activation results in increased protein synthesis and cell proliferation. With cell proliferation constantly occurring, we would age faster. Based on cellular clock theory, we know that aging is a result of cells hitting their reproductive limits because they cannot divide indefinitely. Hence, in order to slow down the process of aging, it is important that this insulin pathway is not always active. So, let us now rewind and see what happens with dietary restriction. If our diet is restricted, we will have less glucose circulating in our blood and insulin will not be released as often. Consequently, the intracellular pathway will not occur as much. When mTOR is not activated, protein synthesis will be downregulated and hypercell proliferation can be prevented. Although not scientifically proven in humans yet, caloric restriction may be worth considering if we want to slow down the process of aging.